So good everyone. Welcome. And join Mazes okay here. So, as you all know, we are ready to go. We just want to have a conversation before we go again. How far you think we've done with the Chatham House? I hope you watched it. Let's see. Before I fall down, let me get myself. So, I hope you watched the Chatham House event. We are going to a different event now. But let me go back to the team. So what's your take?
Am I celebrating tonight because the police...
What's your take, guys? Okay.
One of my big bro here, he said he's going, if the school is not as good, he's even driving to the school. It's about 2 hours drive, 2 hours come back.
Are you leaving today? Are you leaving today or tomorrow? To Manchester?
Not for sure, no.
Okay.
Not for sure.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Oh dear. So I've come together again with the.
I'm going live now on YouTube. Yeah? Have I bought what?
So that's my younger brother here.
Try to amplify.
You know.
Please let me talk to Nigerians. Nigerians are here, please. Come, you are hiding the logo of the party now. That's the party logo you are hiding.
So that is Mama, Papa, Pekin, right? So
Yes,
the logo of the party.
Yes, sir.
So in the morning we informed Nigerians that we are going to Chatham House. So we've gone to Chatham House. Now we are back. Question is, in your view, how was Chatham House, Palami?
Explosive. Please let the logo be showing. It's important.
You and this your logo. I know,
It's
Chairman.
the party logo.
And by the way, here is the Labour Party chairman here. He's going to, he's still going to. So, Balami emphasized on the logo because the party chairman every time is, it's about the logo. It's about the logo.
Well,
Chairman.
we had the unique outing today where we were able to showcase the party and we showcase our candidates. Today, we have succeeded in separating the men from the boys.
Now, so
We've succeeded in separating those who are in the race and those who are not in the race.
exactly.
You have seen that today we're able to separate those who are spent and those who are ready to take the country to the next level. I'm sure that Nigerians at home and those abroad have seen clearly that the man who is positioned for this job is no other person than Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate. From the content of our presentation today, you can see the difference. The difference is
It's
clear.
clear.
And we have always maintained that for next month's election, it's about competence, it's about character, it's about pedigree, and we have also showcased that today. In the next few weeks, we are going to engage you the more, and the difference will become clearer. It is only the Labour Party and this presidential candidate that have the answers to the numerous challenges of Nigeria. As you can see from the 7-point agenda, we are the only party, the only candidate that has the answers that will answer the challenges that is facing the country. Our 7-point agenda has the capacity to transform Nigeria within the next 4 years. So I want to continue to encourage Nigerians that come 25th of next month, we should come out en masse, vote for the presidential candidate and all the candidates of the party. Those who have not picked their PVC, you still have between now and 22nd of this month to immediately pick up your PVCs. Like we have emphasized, the protests is no longer on the streets. The protest is now on our ballot papers. So we must work hard, work towards ensuring that come 25th, we are all. It's not just enough to vote. vote,
Vote and stay.
stay there, defend your votes. Because
Exactly.
information reaching us has it that they are planning to rig the election, planning to cause mayhem, cause catastrophe. But if we are united, if we are strong, if they see the mammoth crowd, the polling centers that day, I'm sure that they will have no choice but to follow the wishes and aspirations
Of the people.
No amount of guns, no amount of harassment and intimidation can stop an idea whose time has come. The time has come for Nigerians to take back their country. The time has come for us to take our destiny in our hands. I have always maintained that we cannot afford to miss this great opportunity. This is a very great opportunity for us to take back our country, for us to reposition the country for greatness and for effective service delivery. We cannot afford to miss it. Opportunity, they say, comes
But
but
once.
once. Opportunity lost can never be recovered. We must, as Nigerians, not miss this great opportunity that destiny have put on our side. We must continue to take advantage of it. For us, the Labour Party, we are continuing to provide leadership in this period leading to the election. We are ready to do what we need to do as leaders of the party and as those saddled with this responsibility to lead the obedient movement. We are committed to it, and no sacrifice is too much from our end for us to make to see that this project succeeds. As we play our part, we expect you to play your part. Continue to convince those who are sitting on the fence, because like we have observed, a lot of persons are still sitting on the fence. But we expect that we carry this crusade to those who are sitting on the fence, convince them, let them see the light. And I'm sure that victory is sure.
Aluta
Victory
continua.
is sure and certain. Thank you and God bless you.
Chairman, no, hold on. You know, while you were talking, you forgot that in the Chatham House, I must note that questions were not assigned. I was busy looking for when questions, if you or me may get questions to answer, but obviously...
Delegated.
Okay, delegated, yes. Questions were not delegated. The difference is clear. It's like 7-Up and Sprite.
No, we have always said that this job of presidency requires somebody who has the mental capacity, who has the age on his side. We are all praying to be old men. I mean, none of us here is praying not to be old. But for God's sake, old age has his own, how do I put it now?
Challenges.
Weaknesses and challenges. And therefore, and that is why in every society, there is always time for retirement, time to work, and time to go and rest. It is only in Nigeria we find that people who are in their 80s, who are in their 90s, want to continue to do the job of those who are 50s and 40 years old. And for us, it is time for us to say enough is
It's
enough.
enough.
And so for us, we can no longer at this time of our history, where the country is sick, where the country is facing a lot of challenges, continue to rule by plotting or lead by proxy. We've seen it in the past, where we had a sick president and the country didn't move forward. The country didn't progress. The country was stagnated. We cannot afford another
To go
one
back again.
at this time. And so this job of presidency requires somebody who is mentally alert, somebody who is healthy, somebody who has the capacity, somebody who has the pedigree to be able to reposition the country for greatness.
Correct.
The country isn't working. The country is faced with numerous challenges. Challenges of insecurity, challenges of the economy, challenges of poor infrastructure. Nothing is working. The educational sector is in shambles. Healthcare is in shambles. No infrastructural development. And therefore, it requires a young, dynamic, vibrant, intelligent, and result-oriented, young, dynamic leader that will be able to reposition the country for
I beg, Chairman, make I intervene. If I leave Chairman here today, we no go. You see the thing where competence they do, unscripted for 10 minutes. This is not. This is our bottom to top. Exactly. You see, this is unscripted. How many party chairman in Nigeria can speak without? This is not balabluing anything now, is it? Anyway, I think from party chairman Balami, it appears you are in the league of balablues.
Yes, but and then see the logo because it's important.
You and this your logo.
You must see the logo.
You want to carry this logo, go northeast.
The logo now when they take win election, now they enter northeast. That's the logo.
So Balami,
Yes, sir.
I see you for Chatham House. I say, oh.
Say Malam when they never said anything. They never said anything. See Malam will cap for inside the house. They never said anything. Nah, now you are casting. Yes.
I see you. I say, everywhere we follow. Everywhere. This is what
zones in Nigeria.
This is what we call Nigeria.
All age,
the Nigeria of our dream.
Inclusiveness.
When we were growing up, we see them shagari them. They work smart.
Yes.
See, all of us now say we want change in Nigeria. Not be the same way we talk.
Nothing more.
Nobody know. They know they push anybody, make you climb that stairs. And they don't hold anybody hand, make you no fall.
Yes.
You dey London sober.
Capacity. So let me see.
The man will show them your logo. I beg, show them the logo. Show them the
please,
logo.
when you go to vote on the 25th of February, our logo get 3 human beings. No be broom, no be stick, no be shovel, no be umbrella. Now human beings, family, papa, mama, pikin dey for center.
What do they call am Hausa again?
Baba, mama, yaro.
Yaro na small pikin.
Yes.
So madala.
You know? So the idea we say, for once, we don't vote for broom, don't vote for umbrella, don't vote for...
The broom self, we don't...
Even animals serve them. Not we don't vote for. We even vote for, but now...
Okokoroko.
We are even Kokoroko will vote for them. But now we want to vote for
Human being. Because now
We
human being
get feeling, we get flesh and blood, we get think, we get soul. You know, we get emotional intelligence. Now, papa, mama picking be that one.
But in that Chatham House, which be the highlight for you? Because me, now the highlight we say when in the talk about when that white man asked them about these investments. The way we take I say now where honey day be they come.
Yes.
For me, that's one of my highlights. So which one be your highlight?
That one of my highlight too. But the highlights them plenty. The highlights them plenty. The highlights them plenty. When they talk about the issue of it's safer if your family, your relations, your friends, no they involved for your government on selfish interests. They say corruption will end with over 50%. That one sweet me too much.
That's true.
That is, if you know allow in madam, first lady, you know allow in family and friends to steal naturally. If they say even 50%, that one I ain't do for us. That one is even more than enough.
It's more than enough.
But guess what? He can do more than that.
Of course.
So for me, for the fact say we have somebody who is interested, because I mean he has proven it. How someone say Juma may kill the Garana Laraba Ake Ganewa, it means that if Friday go good, we will see signs from Wednesday. So
because
the Wednesday night be Anambra when you run for 8 years. That's the Wednesday. We don't see the sign. So now, thank God it's Friday they come. That one at 25th of.
If come be like we where they drink some small brukutu, we'll go soak them for Monday. So by Wednesday we go know whether I don't ferment.
Then so no hope go there on Friday.
You see,
so that's the cocoa.
Exactly.
So the thing they say, this man don't show us over and over. He say Anambra state government no buy one bottle of water.
Since he left home, they never buy one bottle.
He said you no collect their gratuity, you no collect their pension, you no collect car. All the governors they built house for Abuja and Lagos.
Name only one person we don't do one for this country.
Nobody.
He just walked away.
Nobody don't do one.
He gave them 155 million He said, na dollars or no be
No be
naira.
naira o. Aside the
30
billions.
Oh, over 30 billion.
Money wey he made that time they try chop, they give bogus contract where they go sign and pay 100% away and the work no go happen. Abandoned project everywhere. This man clear everything. He say for education na number one, for health na
It's
number
not,
one.
it's not be saying him say, because of the investment he had in education. We see him, Anambra State moved from 26 and became number one. So it's not about we say, we see him.
Now we
The
see
whole Nigeria see him.
We are verifying it.
And, and he's telling you that when he becomes the president, that the 20 million unemployed and
He say na
Amajiri and
aggressive
whatever.
this thing now.
Exactly.
Okay, hey, the third thing wey him talk wey sweet me, aside my own and your own wey I don't talk so. He say if anybody Almajiri fit learn Quran, that person is intelligent.
Exactly.
He say where did they learn that Quran? You
go
go carry
teach
maths
them.
and English there.
And
Simple.
give them skills there.
Give them skills there.
Exactly, that is it.
Exactly.
What else do you want? I mean, what else do you want?
Honestly.
You know, person we no want, we no want. But one thing we even our principal not even talk about where they sweet me. Now when I watch one Goodluck Jonathan, former president Goodluck Jonathan video, say na Peter Obi come and say na Peter Obi, say na him and Peter Obi go launch the foundation.
The foundation for the Amajiri schools.
No, for the second Niger
So
bridge.
second Niger bridge.
Jonathan said that he want to commission, the flag it off before Peter Obi's tenure
Expires,
expires because of the effort.
Peter put.
Who don't
Peter put,
thank
so that
Peter
he
Obi?
will start it.
Who
But
don't
now
thank am?
nobody remembers.
Nobody is saying it.
Nobody remembers.
No, different people
No.
they claim am.
Even with our money, we dey pay toll gate. We dey pay toll for that one, but they just dey do it as if na dash the dash us.
It's just like there's another
Anyway.
thing I was telling
Yeah,
him.
I'll come to you. Many of you watching, make sure you have subscribed to this platform. If you want blessed with super sticker, super chat, whatever, that's welcome. Ensure you subscribe, share. We are here bringing you live and direct. After this event, there is going to be a dinner with Nigerians in the United Kingdom. Stay tuned on Njenje Media TV because a lot is coming your way. We are obediently obedient and we obediently useful. So what was it that you wanted to say?
Yeah, what I was saying is about security. When he talked about security, there's something I was reminding him what he did to bring security to Anambra State.
The vigilante, state
No,
vigilante.
when he went to Jonathan, knelt down because of the waterways. They started to bring such a navy,
Surveillance.
navy camp in Obaru side.
Obaru, okay, yeah.
Because some of all these criminals, they come through ship to Onitsha to operate and go back. He has never mentioned it. I was telling him that when he said that I will do anything necessary
To bring security.
To bring security. Because that time and Onitsha was very bad.
Very, very hot.
And they were in different parties, but he went down, knelt down, so that they would start a navy camp in Obaru. And it was that's why they said the IG then said that Anambra was the most secure state because of what he did in Anambra. So,
There's one thing you guys have to know. I think I put it this way: 2023 we test the intelligence of us collectively, myself included, because do we want a prosperous nation, or do we want basically go back complaining that things are not working? Like the party chairman said, this is once in a lifetime opportunity. If by 2023 we fail to do the right thing, to ensure that the right man comes to sit, you're not doing any of us a favor. Bellamy has his own hangar, has his own private aircraft company. Man says, okay, hunger no go fit kill me. Is it Labour Party chairman? Hunger no go fit kill him. Thank God we are all comfortable already. As they say in Igbo, ID me wejebe no care. Is it His Excellency? He's a man who is a man of means. So the thing is, when people are saying, working tirelessly to offer themselves to rescue a sinking nation, do not be deterred and do not be swayed that someone is going to promise you or even give you 1,000, 10,000, 20,000 then the question that you need to ask yourself is, split this money into 365 days. How much does it give you? Talk less of going times 4. So time to make that choice is now. You know, I think the Chatham House was a very, I mean, the difference is clear. You can't compare what happened today in Chatham House as to what we saw. You know, because there are some moments in other people where some mumbling, jumbling stuffs were said that no one understood what.
Okay, to the dinner.
Okay, to the dinner. So we are off, guys. So we'll leave you guys. We'll see you guys later. Okay? So follow us, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye, everyone.